Hey folks, here it is a surprising gift from Santa Claus for me. And let me see and share with you what does it have. Let me open this. Oh my goodness. It is a mobile from Nokia and this is 2.4. I could not believe that I will get this as Christmas gift and I say thank you Santa. So hello guys, my name is Venkatesh and you are watching my new YouTube channel Venkatech. Let's get started. As the year 2020 coming to close, the HMD Global has introduced this new entry-level Android phone, a next generation 2 series called the all-new Nokia 2.4. Succeeding the Nokia 2.3, this 2.4 brings new features this time and host of specifications which makes it a truly an entry-level device. Based on the specs of 2.4, it could be a great starter device because of its amazing specs for everyday usage and a huge battery life that could last 2 days. There is always something interesting coming from the manufacturer that guarantees for 2 years of Android upgrades and 3 years worth of security updates that become an instant hit. Irrespective of price range, Nokia delivers reliable software through their pure, secure and up-to-date Android promise. This phone is currently shipped with Android 10 along with its specs that makes it an incredible value on paper at MRP of Rs 10,399 only. Nokia 2.4 comes in a refreshing design box and I like this. You can see some of the highlights over here. Large immersive display, dual camera setup including a night mode, huge battery life, fingerprint sensor, the Google Assistant button, and most importantly, it will get Android 11 anytime soon because this is an Android 1 device. Let's have a look what is inside. Let me cut the seal. Once you pull out the main box, you will see this phone first. Under this, there is a SIM ejector tool, some documents that normally is a user guide. Yep. You get a case, it's part of this package, and here you get a wall adapter, 5-watt supply charger, micro USB charging cable. Cool. Here is everything you get inside this box. And here is the phone here. Talking about the build quality and design, I say Nokia has done another great job. Nokia 2.4 has a 3D nano textured polycarbonate back panel that gives a unique feel. It fits securely in the hand, feels solid to the core and gives a stunning finish like no other. In fact, its build quality feels better than its predecessor. Looking at the side, you get the usual layout with power and volume buttons on the right and the Google Assistant nano SIM card slot on the left. On the top is a headphone jack, a primary microphone, and on the bottom is secondary microphone, micro USB 2.0 and a loudspeaker grill. Right. On the back, the noteworthy thing is the cameras are not protruding and you can see the LED flash and fingerprint sensor below it. This phone comes with 3 colors: dusk, charcoal and fjord. Dusk is purple, charcoal is grey and fjord is blue. Pretty nice. Coming to front, the large 6.5-inch IPS LCD HD Plus display sports a 20:9 aspect ratio, which means it is perfect for watching movies, playing games or social media playback, which makes it an enjoyable experience. Despite having noticeable bezels, 2.4 houses a water drop notch which allows a respectable 80% screen to body ratio. body ratio here. Oh yes, on the front you get a 5 megapixel camera and earpiece grill. You can see this earpiece grill here and the Nokia logo on the chin. Moving on to performance and software, Nokia 2.4 is powered by the octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 processor paired with Power GE8320 GPU. It is offered in 3GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. It is also expandable up to 512 GB by micro SD card. Next you get impressive battery life. Wow! You get a 4500 mAh AI assisted battery with a well optimized stock Android 10 OS. That means the Nokia 2.4 will excel in the battery life. Talking about the software, undoubtedly one of the Nokia 2.4's biggest attraction USP is that it runs Android One, a pure Android experience that offers a clean, simple, lag-free and reasonably smooth interface with no bloatwares or ads. You will see the same software experience on any other Nokia devices today, and with this you are guaranteed software upgrades of 2 years and monthly security patches updates for 3 years. Pretty cool. Moving further to cameras, there is a dual camera setup. The dual camera setup has a 13 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel depth camera sensor, which are both powered by AI assisted imaging features like portrait mode and night mode. Night mode, you can capture details even in a low light or darker conditions, while the selfie camera is a 5 megapixel front facing sensor. Guys, I will be talking about more about the cameras, display and performance in my next video. Thus, the Nokia 2.4 is looking elegant, smart and a budget device with strong battery and performance. No matter, I will be using this as my daily driver to fully assess its capabilities. Watch out for my next weekly review soon. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye bye.